Hi, my name is Jade Anstey and I'm a naturopath and a nutritionist. And today's video is about the #1 game-changing tool that you can use to support you in your allergy and food intolerance journey. So I believe our body has an innate ability to create balance. And this equilibrium is forever changing and trying to correct itself. What we find with food intolerances and allergies, we often overcorrect. So our system is forever reacting and in hyperdrive and creating a whole pile of symptoms associated with those allergies. There's a couple of things we need to look at to try and correct that. Number one, we want to know what the trigger is. Is it a food intolerance or is it actually coming from the environment? Knowing this actual trigger to our system is something that we can either help eliminate out of the system or help reduce the actual result to that trigger. Number two is really important, is how our body is actually functioning. So if we understand how our body is reacting and what it's reacting to, we all of a sudden have a really clear path that is specific to you and your system. The one game-changing thing that I believe everybody needs to do if they have an allergy or food intolerance is functional testing. So functional testing is looking at physiologically how our body works on a molecular, on an organ, and on a tissue level. It's different to what you'll get through a medical GP. So this is doing disease markers. We're not looking at a disease marker with an allergy. We want to know how our body's reacting, and we want to know how it's functioning and how we can then make the corrections in that to actually purpose you to reduce those symptoms. So what is functional testing? It's usually really non-invasive tests. It actually involves often urine, it can be a stool sample, very commonly breath, small blood samples. All of these kind of things can allow us to get some markers that we can have the ability to correct either nutritionally or functionally through herbal and nutrients as well. Number ones that I use in practice, I use stool testing. So this helps assess your microbiome, so bacteria, yeasts, fungi, parasites, inflammatory and immune regulation of the gut is really important factors to understand and know. We do breath testing. Breath testing helps us assess the imbalance of food intolerances such as fructose, can also be lactose malabsorption. Urine testing, which helps us identify things like leaky gut, which you might have known from a number of other videos of the importance of your gut function when it comes to food intolerances. And understanding the level of that is something really crucial. We also do a lot of blood testing, which can identify nutritional deficiencies, but also those food allergies. So using an array of the right functional pathology for you can be game-changing when it comes to a path to actually correct your allergies or live with your allergies and improve your overall health and well-being. I personally do a lot of functional pathology in practice, and a lot of naturopaths do, so I highly recommend you seek a professional to guide you in the right direction of which test is appropriate for you and what's happening in your system. I love working with clients with allergies, so please, if you have any questions or you would like to work one-on-one, reach out. I'm at Balance by Nature, either Balance by Nature on Instagram or Facebook, and also balancebynature.com.au. I love working obviously with you, so please reach out and I'll answer any questions. Otherwise, enjoy this series of videos and really remember, game changer is functional pathology.